Hey guys, it's your guy Abrazak Otokiti. Welcome to Excel 2016 for data analytics. Today we're going to be looking at how to combine text string in Excel 2016. I'm going to be working with these data sets. This is a data set of employee of a particular company. We're going to see how to combine the first and the last name to form a username and also to form a full name for each of the employee. So without much further delay, let's get to it. Press equal to, and we're going to make our username to be consistent. We're going to format it in a lowercase. So we write lower, then you select this cell, then you press ampersand, then you press inverted comma, then let's use underscore to separate both the first and the last name. Press inverted comma, then you press ampersand, then last name, then put your bracket, you hit enter. So now Arisley underscore Reina is the username we generate for this particular employee. So now to do same for the remaining employee, we simply double click. So now Priscilla underscore Harmony is the username we generate for Priscilla. So this is how to combine text together. To do same for a full name, and since we already said that we're going to format it in a proper, we're going to create the full name in a proper case, then we'll press equal to, then you write proper, then open bracket, select the first name, ampersand, inverted comma, colon, then space, inverted comma, ampersand, then last name, you hit enter, close bracket. So we have Arisley Reina properly formatted. So now same has been done for the remaining employee. This is how you format, this is how to combine text together in Excel 2016. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you next time.